Welcome back to my channel. This is Mommy's Kitchen Ideas. If you are new to my channel, you are welcome. Today I'm going to make noodles with microwave. I have here 2 noodles and 1 sardine that I will be using to make the noodles. So first, I'm just going to break the noodles. And the second one. So now I'm going to open it. And put inside the bowl. This is the Maggi and pepper that came with it. I'm just going to put the second one also inside. Also came with Maggi. So now, just going to add the pepper inside. And 1 of the Maggi. I'm not using 2 of the Maggi because if you use 2, the flavor is going to be too much. So 1 is just perfect. It's just enough. So now I'm going to add the sardine inside and use the spoon to scatter the sardine inside. So I have just added the sardine inside. You can see how it looks. Just 1 cup of sardine. So now I'm going to add the second pepper inside. That depending on if you like pepper or not. I'm using the 2 pepper and 1 flavor. So now water inside. You add water till the same level of the noodles. The water has to be exact the same level. It don't have to be more, because if the water is more than the noodles, you can see it till the same level. If the water is more, it's going to be watery. So that is why I said till the same level. And now I'm just going to put it in the microwave for 10 minutes. So 10 minutes is just perfect for these noodles to get ready. So I have here the timer. Just going to click start. 10 minutes. But maybe 1 second will be out. I'm going to put it now in the microwave. It has been 10 minutes. So I have to stop the alarm. This is how it looks after 10 minutes. So there is no difference from you putting it in the microwave or frying it in the fire. You see, this is faster, and your kitchen don't have to be dirty because you use the microwave to make it. This is how it looks. Let me serve it in a special plate so you can see it. So this is the finished part of it. You can see how it looks without no water. If you do it exact the same way that I did it, there will be no water. I just put it till the same level. So the water was just at the same level And if you like to add any other flavor in yours, you can also do that as well. You like to add onions or maybe egg. For me, just sardine and noodles is just enough for me, and it's perfect. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to click the button like and share. And if you are new to my channel, you are welcome. And if you have not yet subscribed, don't forget to click the button subscribe, and you shall be blessed. Thank you.